For today, that is family dinner using po chicken fillet cut into slices. May onion tayo at garlic and hot pan. Nag-additional lang tayong garlic and onion and little bit oil and fry the chicken fillet slices until the color is done. And then sit aside na lang din guys para hindi siya titigas yung karne. And then fry the frozen vegetable and making the sauce, that is 1 cup water and 1 tablespoon cornstarch and oyster sauce, soy sauce, and of course mayroon tayong chicken cubes. And then pinapry ko lang yung yung vegetable with sauce and add ko yung chicken natin fry first, and then this is continue to mix all this together until to make it, and then i-off na natin yung mainit, and then let's eat.